welcome to my vlog. And today, I will introduce myself first. My name is Liway O. Paris, and I am 15 years old. And today, I will introduce myself as science students. As a science student, you have the opportunity to delve into the wonders of a natural. The topic that I really like is a topic that I really understand, such as the female reproductive system. This topic is related to me, of course, because I'm a woman. This topic even related to me because, of course, I am a woman. And I really know something that I know that I don't know yet. I really know something that I don't know yet. That a topic that I hate is the topic that I have a hard time understanding. Even if I try to understand, but I really not understood. The time when I love science, when someone is discussing, when I understood, of course I'm happy. The tasks are stressful. We can do everything, have the right to be happy. Whenever though, the best in science among one of my classmates is Jamie because he understands easily. So I want to be like him because he is really good when it comes to things like that. Ang importanteng classmate ko sa lahat ay si Bia. Ang mensahe ko sa kanya is I hope you finish your studies and that one of your dream will come true. And I hope you don't get married too early because it might be struggle for you when the time, and that's all. And for my message to our science teacher, Sir Eric, is especially to thank you because during the time when I was struggling, especially in my grade, you were not tired to helping me even though we were overdoing it. I hope there are many more students you can help. And that's all. My message to your next generation ay sana magiging masaya lang kayo kung ano man yung natutunan ninyo. Kung darating man ang panahon na kayo ay nahihirapan, ay lagi niyong iisipin na iyan ay makayanan niyo. Maging masaya kayo. Dahil dito sa science, kahit medyo mahirap na, pero try your best na makayanan mo. And that's all my vlog.